everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be doing the unbox of my new DJI OSMO 4. I placed the order on August 28th and I believe it arrived the next day. I spent a total of $174.27. They asked me to buy the something with the DJI REFRESH. It's like for $10 more, and I can claim 2 times. I think the first time they charged me $9, and the second time it will be $12, and you can make 2 claims for the 1-year period. And I actually opened the box already, but this is what it looks like. Okay, I don't know if you can see it. So I'm gonna open it real quick and we're gonna go from there. So inside the box they have create magnetic moments, and I guess it'll come with some of these booklets or instruction, what you say. Let's open this one. Yes. So it has a bunch of booklets, and I guess, let's see, it has a little one. Okay. And it has this one. This one is disclaimer and safety guidelines right here. I don't think anybody's gonna read it, but it does come with it. And this one, it's for the magnetic ring holder user guide. So again, this one is in Chinese, Korean, and Japanese, I guess. And on the other side, I don't see English. Nope, there's no English on this side. So, but it does come with a thick DJI quick start guide. Here it is. Okay, we'll go over it a little bit. Put that aside, and we'll just put all this over here for now. And here it comes with this little plastic DJI grayish color. And I don't know what's in here, probably like stickers or something, 3Ms on the back. Put it over there. And it does come with this nice pouch, I guess, for us to carry the gimbal. It does come with this little, I don't know, strap here. Put it on there. Okay. So what else is inside the box? So inside the box, this is what we have. So we have this one right here. So this is the thing that's going to go straight onto our cell phone. This is the magnetic clip. And then it does come with the stand. Okay. And here is the actual product. Right here. This is the gimbal. And just open it. There you go. Okay. So I'll do a quick demo and just, put my cell phone on. So this is my iPhone XS Max. Let's see. Let's try to see if it's gonna work with the case on. It looks like it's gonna work with. This is the Apple case, so it looks like it's pretty good. It's not. So let's see. Do it again. Huh. Okay, you guys can hear the click. So okay. See. There you go. Click it. Okay, so the difference between this one and the 3, because I actually bought the 3 from Best Buy, I think a week prior, and the difference was the other ones, like this part right here, it doesn't come apart, it's together, and anytime when you want to take off your phone, you would literally have to do that to get it off. In this case, it'll be easy, so you can just take the whole thing off, I think, which is a very clever idea. And but the other one, I believe I spent about $131. That one, it says with a combo in order to get this, but this one, it doesn't, it's not even a combo. I just ordered this set and it comes with it. And the funny part is, when I ordered this, it didn't give me the option for free shipping, but it says if I were to add the DJI Refresh, and then shipping will be free. So I added the $10 for the DJI Refresh, just so I could get the shipping for free. So that's pretty much, you know, all it is for the unbox. You know, there you go, and then you set it up. This color, I think the other one that I ordered, the color is a little bit darker gray. This is kind of like a lighter one. But besides this part right here, the 3 and the 4, there's not much of a difference. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the unboxing. If you guys have any questions, leave in the comment below. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.